Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for ads. First, navigate to Canva's ad template library. You'll find thousands of options for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Select a template that best suits your campaign's objective and your brand's aesthetic. Then, begin customizing by changing text, uploading your own images or videos, and adjusting colors to match your brand guidelines. This initial setup is crucial for a strong visual impact. Now, let's focus on crafting your ad design. Canva provides a vast library of stock photos, videos, and graphic elements you can use to enhance your ad. Remember to keep your ad copy brief and impactful, always including a clear call to action like "Shop now" or "Learn more." Consistency in your brand's fonts, colors, and overall style across all your ad creatives builds recognition and trust with your audience. Once your design is complete, it's time to optimize and export. Canva's Magic Resize feature allows you to quickly adapt your ad for different social media platforms, ensuring optimal dimensions. Always preview your ad on various devices to check how it looks on mobile versus desktop. Finally, export your finished ad in the appropriate high-quality format, such as JPG for static images or MP4 for video ads, ready for your campaign. For advanced users, leverage Canva's Brand Kit feature to store your logos, colors, and fonts, streamlining future ad creation. Consider a /B testing different versions of your ads, perhaps with varying headlines or images, to discover what resonates most with your target audience and improves your campaign's performance. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.